Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this problem if you have an LG phone. So if you have an LG phone, you've been receiving this notification which says unfortunately LG IMS has stopped. So I'm going to be showing you how to solve this problem, and I'm going to be explaining more about this problem. So LG IMS, as you see, if you read this article, unfortunately LG IMS app keeps on stopping, and this has been a problem to many users as it keeps on popping up. And if I'm to explain more about LG IMS, so LG IMS is a system app, and when you go to your apps it will be hard to find it. And LG IMS stands for Internet Protocol. So LG IMS it can be also referred to as LG IP. LG IP, it's the LG Internet Protocol or multimedia service. So and this service is responsible for the Wi-Fi calling, voice over logs, and that's the services it's responsible for. So if you have an LG phone, you've been getting this problem where it keeps on saying LG IMS app. Okay, LG IMS keeps on stopping. So to solve this, all you have to do first is you have to first go to your notifications or pull down your notification pad and put the phone in airplane mode. So if you put the phone in airplane mode, this will help us or give us access to the functions of the LG IMS. And after that, you go to settings. So when you go to settings, you're going to scroll and you go to apps. After you go to settings, you're going to scroll and go to apps, or if you don't go to apps, you will go to general and then look for notification and apps. Then you open your apps. After opening my apps, all I'm going to do, you will place on the three dots in the corner, or you will place on this tab. So I'm going to place on this tab. That's where mine brings this function. When I place here, I will get this function, and all I need is this function which says show system apps. So if I may go back, you will have to place on the three dots in the corner or on this tab, but for me I'm going to place on that tab, and I'm going to activate the show system apps. So I'm going to activate this and place OK, so that I can be able to see system apps. Then I'm going to go to search, and I'm going to search for IMS. So it will come, as you see, this is the IMS service. You might get the it might come as LG IMS service or com.lgimsservices.something. So and you place on that, and all you're going to do after placing on that, placing on the IMS service, you're going to scroll down and you come to storage. So you open your storage, and after opening your storage, you're going to clear the cache files, and you also clear the data. So you're going to clear the cache files. All you do is place on cache and you clear. As you see here, it says clear cache files, and you also clear data. After clearing those two, you place on them and clear them. You're going to go back, and all you're going to do after going back, you scroll down and go to about phone, or you go to reset. As you have gone to reset, all you're going to do is reset all settings, and after resetting all settings, your phone is going to go off and then go back on. This will help you solve the problem, as the phone will clear all the cache files and data, and it will be as if you've reset your phone, and the IMS service will work again. And if that doesn't work, all you do is you come to apps, you place on the three dots, and you're going to place on reset app preference. So if you set app preference, it will also help you to solve this problem. The notification of LG IMS has stopped will stop, and LG is working on this. As they are working on this, it's a problem that is facing many LG phones, so they are working on this and they will be releasing an update soon to solve this. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.